Presenting the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, power folding mirrors, alloy rims, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. On the inside, you'll find leather seats, heated seats, satellite radio, an auxiliary input, a backup camera, child safety locks, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a navigation system, power seats, cruise control. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.